How you doing? I'm Alex Hoke with SeaHunter Boats, and this is our 2014 32-foot black edition. This particular boat has twin 300 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke engines, custom painted black to match the boat. A rear entry door, 2 50-gallon live bait wells, a nice large bilge area or lazarette. Directly in front of that, we have a nice large fish box that goes up to past the leaning post. Hold plenty of fish in there. And this particular boat has a new custom leaning post with a frigid rigid cooler that pulls in and out. So you can leave it out to grab a drink or push it in and it gives you tremendous cockpit space. This particular leaning post is powder coated black with rod holders and cup holders. It also has storage underneath the seat, just in front of this nice backrest. The helm on this boat is a center steel helm, tilt, with trim tabs and electric controls from Yamaha. Looking at the dash, you see we have a carbon fiber dash with plenty of real estate for 2 large screens, autopilot, VHF radio, and a stereo. You can configure it however you'd like. Looking up at the T-top of this boat, you see we have LED lights here in the front and above the driver, as well as spreader lights that are LED and illuminate the back of the boat. The boat is powder coated black and painted black underneath the T-top to match the theme of the boat. Moving forward, you see storage on either side of the console. Inside the console, you have over 6 foot of headroom, as well as plenty of storage, battery switches, electronic switches, and if you'd like, we can also add a full pump out head. Walking to the bow, you can see we have a nice in-deck fish box, very large, will accommodate plenty of fish. Directly in front of the console, you have a nice seat here with a cooler built in. And walking to the front of the boat, you can see that we have a nice recessed grab rail, powder coated black to match the boat, coaming bolsters all the way 360 degrees around the boat, and a nice large anchor locker with a fortress anchor. I'm Alex Hoke. This is our 2014 32-foot SeaHunter. Thanks for watching and have a great day.